Oh shit, I gotta send this to my rep. Why are you telling me my iCloud storage is full? Man, I'm tired of paying for that shit, man. Every time I get some money, Apple always trying to take my shit. The fuck? What's good, fam? It's Internxt by Grace, aka Mr. Component, and I'm gonna be showing you guys some alternatives to iCloud. And here are some honorable mentions: is Google Drive. They have like a $2 a month one, but if you want to keep your files private, here are some alternatives to Google Drive as well. So we're gonna get into it straight away. I'm not gonna waste too much time. So the first one that I have here for you guys is called Proton.me/drive, aka Proton Drive. So you can go to create a free account and we can go to pricing. And as you can see here, cloud storage that puts you in control, store any file, backup any photo, and share with total confidence knowing that you only choose to have access to your files. Not even Proton can access your data. So this is if you guys do some things that are not to be mentioned on the internet, or have some sources that are to be mentioned on the internet. You can check out the prices here, and these are a lot more doable than something like iCloud. The next one we have is Total Drive. Here we have Total Drive standard, $99 a year. And then you can see everything that they have to offer right here. This is probably only one pricing that they have. I don't think they have any type of tiers or anything. It's just $99 a year. We have Internxt. Here's the homepage. Encrypted cloud storage. So this one is also where you can keep your data safe. So what this is basically a lifetime plan. So you pay once and you have this forever. So you have a terabyte, 3 terabytes, and 5 terabytes. So those are the 3 I recommend right now as of this video dropping. As I dig deeper, we're going to find better resources and easier things to access. So that's what I have to offer. And I also recommend that you guys get hard drives, SSDs, your own storage. I know it's getting expensive and crazy, but you already have things. If you have old computers, old laptops, take them apart and take out the drives in them. They're still useful. Partition them. We'll cover a video how to partition drives, aka wipe the drive clean so you can reuse it for a new computer. So whatever you have in your house that is storage friendly, think digitally. Use that, please, because it's a gold mine right now. Storage is a gold mine, and you know, if you don't want to pay these prices, these are what I have for you guys, better than iCloud. There's lifetime plans and shit, but what I recommend is personally, you know, get something physical.
Join Creator Methods for more tech tips.